I really enjoy going into a kitchen and not knowing exactly what I'm going to create and just begin whirling around. Pith is a supper club that I run in my home, and it's a dining experience that people can sign up for. Really low cost, somewhat family style meal. Oh, those are so good. But there's something really warm and quirky about it. It's like exactly what IKEA is about. It's 2 hours at my apartment, trying all sorts of exquisite food items, beverages, desserts. My cooking is definitely informed very much by my training as a jazz pianist. It's an improvisation. It sets a really good tone for what cooking is. It's spontaneous. The improvisation happens while cooking, and it'll be like, I realize I've run out of a spice and I decide to use something else. Suddenly it erupts in aroma. It might be anxiety provoking for a lot of people, but it shouldn't be, because people are trying to like fit the way they're cooking into the way they think of a very fine restaurant working. It's not true, because you can make such excellent food in that spontaneous, messy, social way. Everyone is making mistakes all the time. I have so much more to learn. But in jazz, you have to own it, and you have to embrace like unexpected things and whatever's going to come out of you or the situation. If something goes wrong in the kitchen, you can let that fluster you and be like, I have to make something else, or you can just kind of embrace it and see what happens. When the reason people are having a meal together is to connect, then mistakes become fun. I think of what I'm doing as creating a social experience mediated by food, instead of being a chef or something. People are very excited when they come over and they see how low-key it is, and extremely fun, but they realize like, wow, this is something that I can easily do myself. Have friends over and cook incredible food and turn it into this awesome hangout. Welcome. Glad you're here.
Everything's good so far?
Dude, everyone tried these? They're so beautiful.